Hey YouTube, this is GeekisCarnage, and today I'll be doing a quick unboxing of the Blue Yeti microphone. The ultimate USB microphone for professional recording. Here's the side with some Yetis right here. Here's the back of some of the specs it does. And here's the back. It's basically showing you what's best for what. Bidirectional, omnidirectional, cardio, and stereo. I guess that's what it's called. Let's get right into this. Got this today from Amazon. It was actually on sale for $100 on Amazon, so I got it for a good price. It's usually $149, like at Apple Store or something. There's the tape. There we go. Some Yetis right here. Some instructions. Here's the USB cord, standard mini to standard. Here's the mic, it's pretty heavy. Box is 4 pounds. There we go. It's got that stuff. There we go. Got some silicone gel. Here's the mic. It's a lot better than I thought it would be. Lots of aluminum to match my iMac. Let's go over some of the features. Let's see, it says blue right there. It's a mute button, master control volume knob. That's plastic. THX certified. The nice mic mesh up on top, that's metal. On the back we have the gain knob, the 4 options. Right here is stereo. Right here is omnidirectional. Right here is cardio, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. And bidirectional. Man, that's pretty hard to switch. Bottom we have, I guess you hook it up to an arm or boom. There's a USB port and the headphone jack, so you can listen to it live. It's voice monitoring. So guys, I have a little audio test after this video. So thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and look for more videos. This is a test of the Blue Yeti microphone in stereo mode. I'm going to snap my fingers on either side of the mic, so wear your headphones to hear a little better. That is all. Hope you enjoyed the sound test. Thank you for watching.